Hi folks, Teacher Kate here coming to you from planet Earth. Last week I was floating around in outer space in my spacesuit. Well, this week I'm grounded by gravity on our only planet in the solar system with life. Do you know what that's called? So smart. We live on planet Earth, and Earth is an amazing planet. So this week I'm going to read another book by Rebecca and James McDonald called I Am Earth. And it gives a lot of information about what makes planet Earth so unique and so special, just like you and I are unique and special. And the second book, I love this book too because it has wonderful illustrations, but it follows one of my favorite book collections. You see, I collect books about There Was an Old Lady, and this book is called There Was a Black Hole That Swallowed the Universe. And it sounds kind of scary, but in this book by Chris Ferrie and illustrated by Susan Batory, they talk about how we're all connected. You see, we are made up of atoms and neutrons and the basic form of life. And what they talk about in this book is how we're all connected, that those atoms and neutrons make up all living things. Us, our planet, our solar system, our galaxy, and our universe. So I hope that you have a wonderful week and that you enjoy the two books that I've chosen this week. I Am Earth, and There Was a Black Hole That Swallowed the Universe. Bye.
I Am Earth by Rebecca and James McDonald. I Am Earth, an Earth Day book for kids. I am Earth. You live on me. On the inside, I am very hot. On the outside, I am the perfect temperature for life. I travel around the sun and keep you warm. As I spin, day turns to night and night turns to day. When I tilt away from the sun, it becomes fall and winter. When I tilt toward the sun, it becomes spring and summer. The sun is so big that it holds me and 7 other planets in space with its gravity. Together with moons, comets, asteroids, and other space objects, we make a solar system. Just like the sun, I have gravity. My gravity keeps the moon circling around me and holds you to the ground. Gravity keeps the air you breathe and the water you drink from drifting into space. Without gravity, things would just float away. When you see me from space, I look blue, green, brown, and white. The blue is the water that covers me. The green and brown are the land which you live on. And the white is from the clouds and snow. Clouds drop water on the land below, and when it gets cold, the clouds drop snowflakes, dusting everything white. Rain and snow fill up the lakes and rivers, giving all living things water to drink. Even the food you eat is grown in my rich brown soil. I'm very unique, just like you. I have all the right things to keep you healthy and safe, like clean air, water, and food. I'm not too hot, and I'm not too cold, and I can hold you close so you won't float away. But you have to help me by keeping me healthy and clean. Because I get sick, the air gets sick, and the water gets sick, and the ground gets sick, And that's not good for anyone. Right now, I am the only planet you can live on. If we work together, we can keep me the best place to live. Here are some things that you can do to help the Earth be the best it can be. Recycle. Find out what can be recycled and start recycling. Don't litter. Put garbage in garbage cans. Reuse. Use things more than once if you can, like paper bags and glass jars. Save energy. Turn off the lights when you don't need them. Don't waste water. Even though there's a lot of water on Earth, there's only a small amount that we can actually drink. So, let's not waste it. Can you think of other ways to help the Earth stay a happy, healthy home? And remember to tell all of your family and friends so they can help too. Here are some other books by Rebecca and James McDonald. All have wonderful illustrations, and I encourage you to read them all. There Was a Black Hole That Swallowed the Universe, written by Chris Ferrie and illustrated by Susan Vittori. Dedicated to Sagittarius A, my favorite black hole, and to Robert, who is my shining star and lights my way wherever I go. Before I begin, I want to talk about what a black hole is. A black hole is where gravity has become so strong that nothing around it can escape, not even light. The mass of a black hole is so compact and dense that the force of gravity is too strong for even light to escape. Black holes are truly invisible. This page is from the back of the book, and it says, Stellar Black Hole Facts. You can't see a black hole because it doesn't reflect light. It actually pulls light with its immense gravity. The center of a black hole is called the singularity. We might never know what happens there. The place beyond which nothing can escape a black hole is called the event horizon. Black holes warp space and time around them. To us, time appears to move much slower near a black hole. When two black holes collide, they send out waves of energy that stretch and squish space itself. Scientists believe there is a huge black hole at the center of every spiral galaxy, including our own Milky Way. There was a black hole that swallowed a galaxy. It left quite a cavity after swallowing that galaxy. It swallowed the galaxies that filled the universe. I don't know why it swallowed the universe. Oh well, it couldn't get worse. There was a black hole that swallowed a star. It couldn't get far, that bright, shiny star. It swallowed the stars that lit up the galaxies. It swallowed the galaxies that filled the universe. I don't know why it swallowed the universe. Oh well, it couldn't get worse. There was a black hole that swallowed a planet. Very organic, this fine-looking planet. It swallowed the planets that orbit the stars. It swallowed the stars that lit up the galaxies. It swallowed the galaxies that filled the universe. I don't know why it swallowed the universe. Oh well, it couldn't get worse. There was a black hole that swallowed a cell. It might get unwell after swallowing that cell. It swallowed the cells that gave life to the planets. It swallowed the planets that orbit the stars. It swallowed the stars that lit up the galaxies. It swallowed the galaxies that filled the universe. I don't know why it swallowed the universe. Oh well, it couldn't get worse. There was a black hole that swallowed a molecule. It thought it was fuel, a big molecule. It swallowed the molecules that fed the cells. It swallowed the cells that gave life to the planets. It swallowed the planets that orbited the stars. It swallowed the stars that lit up the galaxies. It swallowed the galaxies that filled up the universe. I don't know why it swallowed the universe. Oh well, it couldn't get worse. There was a black hole that swallowed an atom. It's hard to get at 'em, those tiny atoms. It swallowed the atoms that built up the molecules. It swallowed the molecules that fed the cells. It swallowed the cells that gave life to the planets. It swallowed the planets that orbited the stars. It swallowed the stars that lit up the galaxies. It swallowed the galaxies that filled up the universe. I don't know why it swallowed the universe. Oh well, it couldn't get worse. There was a black hole that swallowed a neutron, a good start to build on, a neutral neutron. It swallowed the neutrons that stabled the atoms. It swallowed the atoms that built up the molecules. It swallowed the molecules that fed the cells. It swallowed the cells that gave life to the planets. It swallowed the planets that orbited stars. It swallowed the stars that lit up the galaxies. It swallowed the galaxies that filled the universe. I don't know why it swallowed the universe. Oh well, it couldn't get worse. There was a black hole that swallowed a quark. That's all there was. And now it's dark. And here we have the back cover of the book. Always a great place to start once you've looked at the cover. And it says, there was a black hole that swallowed the universe. I don't know why it swallowed the universe. Oh well, it couldn't get worse. Or could it?